Son of a bitch. God damn. I think you guys know what happened here. And we know who won and who lost. Damn. Look at that. God damn. Well, YouTube, I put up a little picture on Instagram and my shit blew up. People asking what happened and stuff. So, one second, let me clean the lane. There we go. So yeah, I put up a video, people asking what happened. I don't know if you can hear it, but that happened. Oh shit. Let me make sure I close my garage. Alright, we good now. So yeah. So pretty much, long story short, right? You guys are going to see this morning. So today is Wednesday morning, okay? You guys are going to see yesterday afternoon video of me painting the bumper. Alright, so you guys are going to see that. When y'all see that, you're going to see this video I'm recording probably tonight, Wednesday night, okay? This is not going to be a fancy edit video or nothing. This is just going to be me putting the video up, letting you know what happened. So, pretty much, I finished up the bumper, finished up filming, and you guys will see in the video that, or you guys already know, I had my tailgate back into the garage because it was going to rain, and I didn't know when it was going to rain, and plus it was hot, and I didn't want to be in the sun. So no biggie, had my tailgate in the garage, working. Then I decided to pull the tailgate forward so that way I can finish the video up by letting you guys see how it looks in the light, right? Okay. So then wrap the video up. The video's done. Next thing you know, I want to put the tailgate back in. I want to put the bumper back into the garage because when you plasti dip, you don't want it in the direct sunlight, and you don't want anything like rain, humidity. Well, not really humidity. You can't control that, but rain. You don't want. I didn't want it to get rained on. Okay. So I did that, and ye behold, while I started backing up, guess who forgot? He had a lifted truck that could not fit in his garage. Yeah, me. So I ended up fucking backing that shit into the garage, the top of the garage door, like where the wall's at. You guys saw the damage. It completely crushed that right back mirror. You guys can see back there. It popped and shattered everywhere. I had glass all over my bed, all on the floor. I had to clean it up and stuff. Like I didn't even know what to do, honestly, because I was just like, are you shitting me? Like, this is the second thing that's ever happened to my truck, and both reasons of it happening is my fault. And the first one happened like 2 years ago when I first got the truck, but this one is another one, and it's just like, son of a bitch, just my luck, like, oh. So now what we're doing is we're driving to a couple paint shops. We're gonna get some quotes because I'm not going through insurance for this because they're gonna go up. They will they're pretty much knock me upside the head on my next policy, which I'm not about to do because I'm still recovering from something from 2 years ago that wasn't even my fault. So I'm still recovering from that. So I can't afford to have this on my insurance also because insurance companies are crooks, man. I tell you, that is the biggest scam that is legal in this country is insurance companies. Because tell me how you can go multiple years paying a company every month for nothing, and the minute you get in an accident, they want to go upside your head and charge you all sorts of money for an accident. And I know a lot of companies have, oh, we have the no fault or the good driver discount bullshit. Yeah, no, they're gonna get theirs. So I think it's a huge scam. The only reason why I have insurance is because it's a law and you need it. But yeah, so we're gonna go get some quotes and I'll get back with y'all in a little bit, or I might just wrap this video up. I don't know yet. All right, you guys. So I just went ahead and got my first quote. Well, sorry. I went and got a first quote, and then I pretty much got free wrap for the back of the window. She was nice enough to help. First quote was $1,821. So $1,821. Not gonna lie, that is better than what I was expecting. I honestly was expecting like $3,000 type thing, considering what has to get done. So I found out something too. If you bust a glass, if you got a 3rd gen with the tri windows, with the sliding back window, if you bust a window, any one of those, you have to replace the entire back glass, which is about $600-700. So don't piss off your girlfriends, your wife, whoever, your lover. Don't let them throw a brick through your back window, because you're gonna pay for it. Unless you do it, you go through your insurance and then they fix it for free. But I'm pretty sure that's for windshields only. So yeah, first quote was $1,821. I went to another shop, and this is completely like just me. By no means am I a sexist, a womanizer, anything like that. But I went to an auto body shop, and the girls were very nice, by the way. They were professional. They were very nice. And I went in there, and they were the appraisers. They were the ones going out there writing the estimates up. And I was like, oh, okay. Well, when I go out there, she pretty much didn't even know what to look at, I guess, if that makes sense. She started to actually mention how she doesn't even know if they can fix it. And in my mind, I was like, it can get fixed. Almost anything I've seen cars get smushed like a soda can. Anything can get fixed. No offense to her or nothing. I just feel like, maybe somebody with a little bit more experience in that field should be writing up the estimates. Because she was telling me her whole thing was, even though I write this up, once it gets into the actual booth, the price can change. There's a 100% chance that it can change once the technicians start to actually go into it and stuff. And I was like, oh, okay. I told her, all right, well, I'll save you the hassle and time, and I'll just, keep going. But she was nice enough to give me that wrap for the back glass, so now I don't have the Scotch tape half hanging off, So, yeah. So we're driving to another place. So real quick, where I live at in North Carolina, small little city. Half of it's country, half of it's, I'm not even going to say city, I'll just say suburbs. So we were kind of in the city-ish area side where things are a little bit more expensive. So now we're going out to we call it the countryside. Well, we're going out to the countryside. There's a couple body shops out here. And what I'm looking for is, I'm not looking for like a retail branch body shop. I'm looking for the little mom and pop little body shops where they do all the work themselves. They write the appraisals. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking for those type of places. I personally, I don't know if it's you guys, or if it's just me, but me personally, I prefer to go to little shops like that than going to big branch, franchise services and stuff. Just because it's more down to earth. You get a face to face. You can tell them exactly what you're looking for, what you want. They know where you're coming from. And the thing too is, with these people that own these private stores, most of them, not all of them, some of them do try to scam you, but most of them, they're regular people. They got bills, they got family to feed, so they know what it's like when people come in with issues, trying to get them fixed. So that way, pretty much they're looking out for the common people. So I just got off the phone with this one company. I'm driving there right now. Gonna see what they say. Hopefully, if what I'm trying to get to is, if I can get it down to 1,500, if I can get it down to 1,500, I can work with that. In my mind, I know this is impossible, but even if they got it down to 1,250, 1,300, that would be phenomenal. I know I'm shooting high, aiming low, but worst case scenario, it doesn't work out like that. Big deal. We will go from there. Here's the kicker. We're not gonna have the Cummins on the channel. The first quote I got, he said it's gonna be about a week. So we're looking at some downtime with the Cummins. So it is what it is, It's not the first time I haven't had my truck for over a week. I mean, hell, I went almost a year without a truck because I was deployed. So, I've been in worse situations. All right, you guys, just wanted to give y'all an update, let y'all know what's up. But this is my new truck. What the fuck? Yo, YouTube, what's going on today? I hope you guys are having a good day. I'm back again. Actually, wait, this is just continuing on. Scratch that. So, I'm back. Today is Monday, following on from last week, Thursday, when I dropped the truck off, or Wednesday when I dropped the truck off. Ended up getting a good quote and going with the one company called Catherine Lake Body and Body Shop. They ended up giving me a quote to get the Cummins fixed for $1,200 or where did I get that from? Not $1,200, $1,750. Okay, $1,750 is what I paid, or how much it costs to get it fixed. All right, it sucks. It does suck, but you know what? It's material things. All objects can be replaced. All objects can be fixed. It's just a matter of how far are you willing to get it fixed. Okay, so good news is the Cummins will be back in the driveway, back on film. Supposed to be Wednesday, so this Wednesday we should be getting the Cummins back. I'm really curious to see how she's going to look. Trust me, I'm going to do a thorough inspection on the glass, the inside, underneath the roof. I'm gonna look at it and make sure they did a good job. Trust me. So we did get the truck in the shop. I just wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. Sorry for not having a video up sooner. I know on my Instagram when it happened, I took a picture, posted it, and thank you guys for the ones who messaged me. I appreciate the support and just the support, really. I appreciate it. A lot of you guys were like, "Whoa, man, what happened, bro?" Or, you know, a couple of y'all were like, "Who did that to your truck?" You know, thank you guys. I really appreciate it, honestly. I was grateful enough and blessed enough for my friend I work with, man. He helped me out a ton by letting me borrow his 81 C10. All right, so 1981 long bed single cab Chevy C10, and she can get it. She can get it. Okay, she's a good truck. So he let me borrow this while old girl's in the shop. He actually has a name for the truck. He calls it Old Brown. All right, his granddad passed it on to him after he passed away. Gave it to him, and he's had it since then. And he used to use this to pull his boat. I think he has like a 16-foot boat or something like that. He used this to pull his boat until he bought him a 2015 Silverado. That's also nice, LTZ loaded and stuff. But I guess I can show you guys this real quick. I don't have the keys on me, so I won't be able to start it up right now. But you know, just your old school, solid body, still American, just Chevy. You know what I'm saying? Got a good old small block 350 in here, and it runs. It runs. Actually, I degreased the engine for him, sprayed the grease everywhere, cleaned it up for him, rinsed it down with the hose and stuff. He had a little oil leak coming from somewhere on the other side, so I was able to find the oil leak for him. So you know, I helped him out. I cleaned up the engine. He let me borrow this, so you know, that's the least I can do. So, definitely grateful. So it's a nice truck, man. I dig it. I dig it. Everybody keep asking me, is this my new truck and stuff? I'm like, nah, man. I'm like, nah. Well, I guess I ain't do it right. Oh, where's it at? There we go. So, yeah. But that is really what's going on, you guys. So I just wanted to update you guys. I'm going to go ahead and get in the house. It is kind of hot out here. I tell you what, man, August is the hottest month of the year, and there's no mercy here in North Carolina. It's been in the 90s. All weekend. It's going to be like this week. I'm actually looking forward to when it gets cool, because I'm a little over this heat now, man. I'm tired of walking outside having to change my shirt and my drawers every time I go in the house, so I'm looking forward to it. But thank you guys for watching. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor. I know this was a lot of talking and me not, you know, really just talking. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thank all the new subscribers for subscribing, checking out the channel. If you guys like what you see, please do me a favor and give me a like, because that helps out so much. Also, along with that, if you're new, while we're waiting for the Cummins to come back, go ahead and hit my old videos. I have a ton of videos, over 60 videos of me from day one with the Cummins. A lot of people don't know about the old videos, because I get a lot of messages on Instagram, people asking me like, hey, have you done this to your truck, or do you know anything about this? Check out all my old videos, okay? I'm challenging you guys. Check out my old videos, because I have a lot of content. I mean, I've done so much with the truck so far. I still got a lot to do, so check out my old videos. In the meantime, until we get the Cummins back, until I can upload some more content, you know, Wednesday I will be trying to put a video out. If not Wednesday, well, it won't be Thursday. Wednesday. If not Wednesday, then this weekend I'm trying to put a video out for you guys. College football is back. I'm a diehard Hurricanes fan, so I'm going to be watching that LSU Miami game Labor Day Sunday weekend. It's going to be on and popping, so I can't wait, definitely. But until next time, y'all take it easy. Have a good week and be safe. God bless.